Hello everybody, how are you? This is Andreja, and in today's video I will be drawing my special seasonal Valentine's Day charm and sticker set. By the time this video is out, it will be either the end of January or the start of February. But funny enough, at this very moment we are still in mid-December. One of my patrons asked how come I was already working on a Valentine's Day release when we are still in December. And it made me think that many people might not know how long it takes to develop, produce and release a product such as a charm. And honestly speaking, these are all new things to me as well, so I am also learning how to be more productive and efficient. One of the things that I've realized since I've opened my Etsy store is that timing is super important. And while I did really well in that aspect when I released my Halloween bundle, I did not manage to get everything done early enough for my Christmas releases because I just overloaded my schedule too much. So I released the Christmas bundles and videos 2 weeks too late, which is a lot when offering a seasonal product. And because of that, I did not manage to take full advantage of the Christmas season. So then I was committed to do things properly next time, and I started planning things way more in advance. I started drawing the Valentine's Day bundle this past week. My goal was to design my chibi Jess charm and a sticker set. And that would usually take me 2 to 3 days on average if nothing goes wrong. However, I've had some terrible luck with my computer and I've lost a ton of work in the middle of the process. Basically, I started drawing on a Sunday, was hoping to get it all done by Tuesday, but I actually only finished drawing on Thursday. It is Friday right now and I am super late to supply my video files to my editor, and at the same time I am also super late at making the final art document for Zap Creatives, which will be making my charms. They usually take about 2 weeks to make the order, and then it takes another week or two for the order to arrive all the way to Australia. But because of the holidays, things always take longer, so I can only hope that these will arrive to me by mid-January. You may think that mid-January is still quite early, but actually when I receive the charms, I need to take care of quality control, initial packaging stage, I need to do photography and put together the Etsy listings, and then make a video about it, which altogether roughly takes on average 1 to 2 weeks. And then the week after that, I can release the video on Patreon as an early access video, and then the week after it is the official launch on YouTube and Etsy. So if we count all of the weeks that it takes from starting the designing process to releasing the YouTube video and Etsy listings, I might be already too late again, since most people purchase seasonal merch a little bit earlier so that it gets delivered to them in time. Basically, that means that I need to start designing a product 2 to 3 months earlier if I want to have enough time to get everything done on time. I hope that this wasn't too boring to listen to. It's just a little behind the scenes of the whole process. I am sure that if you have your own store, you have to do things quite a bit in advance as well. But yeah, I just wanted to share this to explain how much time, effort, and love goes into creating something like my charm and sticker set bundles. It is a lot of work. This is why it feels so much more rewarding when I receive happy feedback or I get tagged in someone's unboxing pictures of their received order. It really means so much to me. Do you remember how just before I mentioned that I lost a ton of work during the drawing process? Well, after that, I had to hurry up and catch up. So, to improve my efficiency and speed up my process, I basically created an action. Actions in Illustrator are similar to actions in Photoshop. They help you to be faster at repetitive tasks. In my case, I lost a lot of my shading work, and when I do shading, I basically do a lot of duplicating of shapes and repositioning them to the front of the duplicated shape. So I would, for example, click on a lock of hair, go edit copy, and then edit paste in front. That is altogether 5 clicks if I use a mouse, or 3 clicks if I use shortcuts. But because I don't have a general keyboard with my Cintiq, I only have the side buttons to map any of the shortcuts. And unfortunately, I already have all of them used by other tools. This is where actions come in handy. I basically made an action that does the duplicating in front all in one click. When using an action, I need to firstly select the shape that I want to duplicate. Then I press play on my action, and then the action will save me 4 clicks and do everything automatically. And that is a lot of clicks and time saved when you are duplicating hundreds of shapes one by one. So yeah, if you ever would like to improve your efficiency, I would highly suggest to make some custom actions. They are such lifesavers, I swear. Let me know if this made any sense or if you have any questions about Illustrator. I am more than happy to make some mini tutorials if you guys want to.
Soon giving in is time, 'cause we're falling apart. Love didn't find your heart. Nights didn't count, lies didn't count.
Alright, we are almost done with the stickers. These were so much fun to draw. I went all out and picked the cutest and sweetest elements. Some don't have much to do with Valentine's Day, but who doesn't love a cute sticker of a bottle with a strawberry flavored drink or an adorable succulent? Now, I know that this is super early, but you now understand that I need to start early on new projects. So my next seasonal bundle will be for Easter, and I wanted to ask if you have any special wishes for the charm or the sticker set. Right now I am thinking of drawing maybe Cassie in a bunny costume holding a fluffy bunny. And then for the stickers, I was thinking of including adorable Easter eggs, more bunnies, and maybe some floral elements. If you have better suggestions, let me know. Tell me what kind of charm or sticker design you would like to see for the Easter season. And who knows, I might be able to make it happen. Anyways, this is the final result. I hope you like it. The Valentine's Day bundles should be already up on Etsy by now, so I will leave any links to those in the description of this video. Alright, it is time for me to go. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you again next week. Bye!